Hello friends, welcome to my channel Asif Raza. If you want to make some passive income by selling photos, short videos and also graphic design like logo, icon, then you can watch this video. In this video I will show you how you can create an account on Shutterstock and upload photos, logo or icon on Shutterstock contributor. Before proceeding, I will show you my payment history which I have on from this Shutterstock contributor. Let's see my payment history. Till now I have earned about $700. Here is my payment history. You can see this. Your earning depends on how much photos and videos you have uploaded on Shutterstock. As much as you upload, your earning will also increase. Now here I will show you how to create account. I will give you the link of this page in description box. By clicking there you can come to this page. Now here you have to fill some basic details like full name, display name and email ID and password as you want to set your password to this account. Now after providing all the details, you have to click on this box and you have to click on next. I have provided all the details and I will click on next. Here you can see a display message that thanks, your name will be show here and please check your email to verify your account. Now you have to check your email which you have provided the email address to this account to open this account. Here I will refresh my Gmail account. Okay, you can see you will get a mail from Shutterstock contributor. Now you have to click here to verify your mail. If you show the mail like that the email verification link expired, then you can resend the mail again. Then you will get new verification link and you have to click there verify my email ID. I have already verified my email address. Okay, then I will click here next. Okay, here you have to provide some other details like your residential address and mailing address. If your mailing address and residential address is the same, then you have to click here that my residential and mailing address are same. Then you don't have to fill the mailing address also. Okay, now the account is created. Now you have to upload your best photos or videos you have, or icon. If you are a graphic designer, then you can upload your icon, logos which you have created on Adobe Illustrator or ColorDraw. Before uploading the photos, let's first of all manage your profile. Go to the your display name and click here account setting. Here you can see your account details. You have to scroll down and you can see here payment information. Okay, here you have to select payment method, from which method you want to get your payment. Here is 3 types of payment: Payoneer, PayPal or Skrill. You can choose any one. Now here you have to provide the payout email address, and now here you can set your minimum payout. The minimum payout you have must is $35. If you have crossed the limit, that is $35, then you can get your payment, your linked payout method. Let's save this setting. After saving the setting, you have to click Shutterstock contributor. Here you can see your profile, main content. Here you can click on upload content. Click on upload content. Here you can upload multiple files at the same times, and the image must be EPS, .EPS or JPG format, and videos must be .mov or MP4 format if you are uploading videos. Okay, now I will show you by uploading photos. Now here you can see I have uploaded 2 photos, in which one is photos, you can see here photos, and one is graphic design which is icon, hand shaking icon. Okay, now you have to click on this checkbox. Okay, after clicking on this, and now here you have to select image type, that is photo or illustration. I will select illustration, that is this is illustration. Okay, in uses you can select commercial. Okay, so you have to provide description of this image. Now I have provide the description icon of handshake on white background. Okay, now I will select category, that is arts, and for also business purposes you have to select the category which can meet your photos also. After that you have to provide here keywords, then you can see type your keywords, and you can see similar keywords, suggestion keywords. You can also add all keywords that is suggesting in the suggestion box. You have to click add, all keywords is added. Now if you want to further add some keywords, then you have to click on find more keywords, and you have to type the same keywords like handshake. You can get similar photos like this. Okay, you have to select minimum 3 photos here, and after selecting 3 photos you can see here some keywords is suggesting here. Then you have to click add all. You can also add keywords from the more option. Okay, maximum you have to provide 50 keywords. After adding all the keywords, which is 50 keywords, you have to click attach selected. Okay, after providing all the keywords you have to click here submit. Now you can see here great job on your first submission. Our expert review team will check over your work and provide feedback in the next few days. Now your image is go for the review department. After reviewing by the expert, they will accept or reject your photos. Now next I will add this also. Now here you can see this is a photos, so you have to click here in image type you have to select here photos, and uses you can select here commercial or editorial. I will tell you when it is commercial and when it is editorial. If you have a photos like that in which some faces are shown, in this video you can see a child photos. Here face is shown of the child, so you have to fill the model release of this child. If you have a model release, then you can you can select in users type commercial. And if you don't have a model release of the person which you uploading the photos, then you can select here editorial. When you select editorial, you have to provide some other details also. After description, after providing the description here of this image, you have to provide city or state and also country name and month, date, year. You can see here city, state, country, month, date, year. If you are uploading as commercial by uploading the release, okay, then you don't have to provide the details like city, state, country, month, year. Okay, you can see here I have provided the details. In editorial I will show you how you can write in editorial uses. Okay, here I have provided the description that infant baby taking milk bottle looking on camera. Okay, and here I have provided the state New Delhi and country India. The format you can see here for editorial description. Okay, New Delhi, India, and 18th Feb. You have to also provide the month, day, year. Okay, then 18th Feb 2021. You have to provide like this. Okay, if you are using as a commercial, then you don't have to provide these details. You can delete that details. Okay, and now you have to provide the release, model release of this child. I have created a video on model release, how to fill model release form. Model release are basically agreement form which allow the photographer to sell the model photos on the Shutterstock. Okay, now after providing model release, you have to select also category. After that, here you can see suggestion keywords. You can add all suggestion keywords. if it's match with your photos. And after that you have to add all keywords also. So here I will add all keywords, and after that attach to selected. Okay, I have add all keywords, that is 41 keywords, that is enough. I don't have model release, so I will provide here all the details. So I don't have model release, so I will upload this as a editorial uses. Okay, after uploading or providing all the details, you have to click again for submit. Okay, after submitting, your photos will be reviewed within 2 days, but it usually take 2 hours to review your photos. Okay, as I said, it review within 2 hours. The last image we have uploaded is already reviewed, and it is approved. Okay, approved, handshake image is approved already, and one is pending. So this is the way you can upload and earn some money by uploading photos, icon, logos. So that's all in this video. If you have any problem, any question, then you can ask in this comment box. I will definitely reply you, and you can also contact me on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video.